Everyone. In case you're hearing me coughing for the first time, you see, the truth of the matter is, this is our great people. Okay, I'm used to going before giving out a solution. So next time I do that, you know that's how I greet you guys out there. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, as you can see right here, again, I'm still doing exercise number 1. The idea is I want to display those asterisks as a box. Okay, I've already given a solution, the first solution. So right now I'll give out another one. So just like before, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, however, unlike before, what I'll do now is I want to use a separator. And again, in case you don't know what the heck is a sep, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, if you don't know what the heck is a separator, you'll see in a moment what it does. Perhaps that will make even more sense. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 18, 10. That should do it. Okay, you would know, you guys, in case you went through the textbook. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one here. Oh, before I continue, let me save my thing. I'll save it as exercise 1 underscore exercise underscore 1 underscore 8 underscore 1 and then B, meaning that it is actually a second solution. Okay, so by default, a separator is responsible for concatenating what the heck did I say? A separator is responsible for concatenating whatever you have within your print statement, right? Okay, so this right here will separate these two, 1 and then 2. By default, your separator actually has a space, so we don't want the space. We do not want that space, so we're gonna have to make our separator an empty string. Again, we haven't yet covered string, but we'll get them in a moment, and it will make more sense when we do. Okay, so what is it then that I want to do? I want to simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and right now I want to use the end. The end is basically the end arguments on the print function, and again we haven't yet covered function, but we will eventually. The end argument is responsible for either printing on the current line or on the next line. By default, once you use the print, maybe say 2 consecutive prints, whatever you print will get printed on different lines. Okay, so if you don't want that, we're gonna have to set our end arguments, and again we will put an empty string. We'll put nothing there, and then finally I can then print. You see, previously I printed how many stars? I printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 asterisks. So there I'm going to have to put 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now let's run and see what we get. Boom! Oh, I'm afraid I forgot the last part. which can be taken care of by doing that. I'm simply copying and pasting. You see, this portion right here is responsible for displaying one line. Likewise for the above one, this one right here. Okay, so now that we have added this last part, I can then hit F5 or simply go run and then run module. Boom, again we're getting the exact thing that we want. That should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Before I do, let me create a new file so that when I record the next time, I'll jump on to coding without actually having to create a new file. Okay, that should be it, you guys. I'll see you on the next solution where I'll be jumping on the next exercise. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.